Hello friends, Marcy here. I want to take a few minutes to share with you the kit that I received from DEKdesigns. It arrived yesterday and I've been waiting to open it, but wanted to give due time because I've had so many things going on. I've been just not distracted, but preoccupied or dealing with responsibilities. There we go, other responsibilities. So that's the way we'll discuss it. And I just love these stickers and that are on the envelopes. I hate to like destroy them. They're too cute, but there's no other way of getting into that package with these other fabulous contents without that. So, and this is a thank you, our beautiful ribbon on a gold paper clip. Always have the extra clip as a freebie included along with these freebies. This freebie is like a floral arch on days of the week headers. And this freebie is some daisies with foiled icons. There's even a hamburger right there. How cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then this is the PR freebie you get if you put Marcy 15 in Notes to Seller. You will get these freebies, and if you use Marcy 15 at checkout, you will get a 15% discount on eligible items, excluding the subscription boxes and such, or new releases that are already on sale, or the free kit that you get on Wednesday's hump day. That you can't get a discount on something free, right? But you can get a 15% discount on the items you use to qualify for your $22 purchase. Just make sure to put $26 in there, because when you put your discount in, it'll put you below the $22 qualification limit. So this is Emma, and she is Emma in her planner mode. I'm just loving this new character. Love, love, love her. And this is Emma grocery shopping. And this is Emma on laundry day. Love it, love it. So your discount would qualify on these pages, even if you're purchasing a new release discounted or in qualification for your hump day. So this is called Spring Clean. I love all the soft pastel colors in any kit, and this foil is amazing. It's like lilac. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay. Love this. So 9 boxes, some label headers, which there's only 1 row of headers, so that tells me this is the vertical kit. And then you have your washi strips with that beautiful purple foil. Text headers with the foil overlay. Some flags, some scallop work, and the icons. Some cleaning ladies. Look at these cleaning ladies. All their supplies. And then you have your half boxes, quarter boxes, and trackers with that gorgeous foil. I just like to show, there we go. I just like to show the glimmer. It's so pretty and so fun. Your one design page that are so much fun with this beautiful foil. 3 heart check boxes, a 5 heart with your clipboard day of the week, and script header. So pretty. Of course, with any full kit, you get a foiled date dot 1 to 31 on the clear paper, and then the text headers. There are 7 of each of 3 colors on the glitter headers, and all the fun stuff. So that's a quick share I thank you for spending your precious moments with me. And I hope that you find something that you just can't live without. Anyway, enjoy, and I will see you next time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.